In this video, let us understand how to create MDA form and the child forms and how to navigate using the menu strip. We'll demonstrate here like how to add menu strip to the MDA form, how to create the menu items, and then when you click the menu item, how to take to the that particular corresponding form. So let's learn how to create MDA form and how to create the menu and how to navigate between the forms. All this will explain you in this video. Keep watch the complete video and practice it, and if you want to do different projects we can always apply this idea into that corresponding project. So let's start with the Visual Studio. So here already open the project. If you not yet watched the previous videos, so please watch the videos from part 1 and now we are at the part 4. So therefore if you watch all the videos then you know like exactly how the whole thing works. Right. Anyway, if you're interested in MDA form, so let's continue with the MDA form. Otherwise, you can watch from the part 1. Therefore, you'll understand the whole concept. So, in order to add an MDA form to the project, what you're supposed to do is you go to Project, select Add Windows Form, and here you need to select the MDA parent. If you scroll down, you can see MDA parent form here. So apart from that, a lot of other things are there, but anyway, we are interested in the MDA parent form. So select the MDA parent form and click add. Now you can see that MDA parent is added to the project. By default, it will have a toolbar, menu and the status bar. But actually we don't require this. So what we can do is we can delete everything. Even tooltip we don't require, we can delete this. So we want only the MDA parent, so therefore delete rest of the things. Then correspondingly you need to delete all the code also. So therefore, okay, so I just double click on the form actually. So load events created. You need to retain this load event and rest of the things you can delete off. So select up to MDA parent 1 initialize component, let it be there. So below that show new form. So select this and we can delete all these things. Fine. So just delete. So everything is goes off. So only retain this much. Okay. So MDA parent 1 initialize component, and then because we created this event, let it be there. So even if we delete this, error will come. Then okay, let's assume that you are deleted, no problem. Again, you can go back here. So that immediately there is an error. So we go back to again code window. Just say undo and then get it back. Save this. Right. So something goes wrong, so please do undo and then carefully delete this. But you need to return this and the rest of the code. Fine. So next step is to add the menu strip to the MDA parent, and you want to give the name to the MDA parent, so you can give. So here is the text. You can give banking project here. Then you want to make it maximized, so therefore you have to go to Windows State and then you have to make it maximized. And you want to put some background color, so you can go to background color. So we'll add some color here. Okay, so let it be this color. Okay, so we made changes. Next step is we want to show the MDA parent first. Okay, when you run the project, we want to show the MDA parent. Therefore, instead of login form, now let's show MDA parent, MDA form one, parent one. Okay, later we can change back to login form. So from login form, we can log in and we can show the MDA parent. But at this moment, I'll straight away go to MDA parent. Let's run the project. So you can see that the project is running now. So to add menu strip, so you need to select the menu strip from the toolbox. So otherwise you can go to search and you can type menu strip here. You can see that the menu strip is here. So it's under the menu and toolbar. So double click on menu strip. So menu strip will appear on the MDA parent. So when you click on menu strip, you can see type here. So there is a message. Click on that and you can able to type it over there. So let's say account type, ACCOUNT type. So here you want to enter the account type. And then next is the customer detail. So this is customer details. And one more, we can make it as a deposit. So here is withdraw. Here is a balance checking. So based on that, we want to make some reports. So now we can write a sub menu item. So here is the customer list. So here is the deposit list. So here is the withdraw list. Right. Now if you want to change the font here, so you select the ministry. Then you have to go to font. So it's 9 now. So let's increase to 11. So it's increased. Now we can run the project. You can see that there is a menu strip here. Account type, customer detail, deposit, withdraw, balance, report. So if we click, nothing will happen because we not written any code. And also in the bottom, if you want to one status strip, so therefore status bar. So there is a status strip. Double click on this. There is a status strip. Now if you run this, you can see that in the bottom there is a status strip, and here is a menu strip. So now when I click this, it should take me to the corresponding form. So presently we don't have account form. So let us create one more form called as a account type form. For that you have to go to project, add form, and here you can give account type form. Click add button. So the form is added. That is a account form. Now one more is a customer form. So therefore I can go to project, add form. So here you can type customer form. So we'll have one more form. Okay, we can change some color here. So therefore we can differentiate between 1 to 1. Okay, let's put green color. Account type. Okay, so the colors are changed now. Okay, first let us link this. So now you can click here, double click on the account type. So we'll take to the code window. Here we need to write the code. So this is the form F1, that is equal to new account type form. Then F1 dot MDI parent is equal to this. So that means, so this is MDI parent. Okay, so for this particular form, which is the MDI parent, this indicate this MDI parent, because we are working on this. Therefore this is the MDI parent. So therefore here this is like a pronoun. So we are linking to as a MDI parent. Then F1 dot Windows state. So that is equal to Windows state dot maximized. So here we don't have Windows state. So this is form Windows state. Okay, dot maximized. Maximized. Okay. Okay, no parenthesis, only just a property. So you just say form Windows state maximized. That means you should go to maximum size. Then you have to say f1 dot show. So it should show that particular form. So 4 lines. F1, so what is the form name? Then MDI parent is equal to this. Then Windows state is equal to maximized. So same way you can write for the customer also. Now we can copy this and then paste. So here instead of account form, so this is the customer form. So that's all. Now we can run this and check it out. So run the project. Account type. You can see that account type form appear here. So here is a close button, so I can close this. Customer details, so green color, that will come. So same you can create rest of the forms, and then when you click this, that should open. Fine. So that's how you can create a menu bar, then menu items, and the corresponding code, and the additional forms. Okay. So we can keep and add the forms. So for that you can go to project add form. Now this is the deposit form. So one more is a withdraw form. So like that you can add all the forms there. So keep watch. So in the next video, we'll show you like how to connect to the database again, how to execute the insert, update, delete, and how to select the data. All this we'll discuss. Okay. So this one is concerned. Just create an MDA parent, add a menu strip, then create a menu items, then write the code to show the corresponding forms. For rest of the videos, you can just go to our channel, that is iBlix tutorials. So please subscribe here, and you can see that all the part 1, part 2, part 3 like this. So watch all the videos and then learn how to build the whole project. Okay, thank you.